So we're installing tow hitch receiver on the 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. Let's do it. Alright YouTube, so I'm under the car. Instructions say to start putting them in the front, but I'm not gonna lie, once I get this bracket and the screw in the front, ain't no way I'm gonna be able to fish wire it through to the back. So I'm starting from the back. So what I did was I took the long ones, put the fish wire through it. I fucking fed it through, till I finally got the fish wire, pulled it so that the fish wire kept the bracket straight. Now this is where it gets tricky. I had to use my finger to make sure that I didn't lose this bracket within the frame. So what I did was, after I had it, I stuck one of my fingers, preferably like not your index finger, one of your other fingers, hold that bitch. Then, while you hold it, you gotta take one of these screws, hook it up with the fish wire, and go through the back end, fish wire it through. And so that's where I'm at now. I'm gonna show you on the other side, but now I gotta get this bullshit fish wire off without losing my hardware. Alright y'all, so that one set. I'm gonna set the front one before I set the front one. I'm gonna get over here, the passenger side, and show y'all just how I did this shit. So let me see if I can get a good angle. I'm using my phone, so bear with me. Let's see what this looks like. It'll be a good angle. Okay. So we got the bracket. We got the fish wire. We'll put fish wire through the back here. Whoop. All the way here. You don't fish it literally until you see it. You see it right there. And then once you got it through like that, then you can keep your hardware, the washer, keep it flat, because there's in the frame the shit. You ain't gonna be able to slide through unless you keep it flat. So keep it flat. Pull that bitch through. And lose your hardware like I was. Fuck! Well, now I gotta find it, guys. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Oh, guess what? Found that motherfucker. Thank you, God. Blessing me. Alright, so this is what I was talking about. So, we got the hardware in the back of the frame. So this is where the front one's gonna go, this is gonna connect, and then, alright, so now we got the hardware in. Take our bolt. Take our bolt. Fish wire it up. Alright. Fish wire's on. Now this is what I was talking about. You're gonna have to go through one of these sides. Let me see. gonna take a while. I'm so close. The other side. It was just as hard. I'm gonna be real with y'all. This is probably the most frustrating part. Is getting this fucking fish wire through these little ass holes. You know what you're saying? You probably like, why can't you fit through here? Yeah, I can. But it ain't working that way because there's some shit. So I'm gonna try another side. Alright, so the bracket, the washers in here. Try to go up here. Fish a wire through here. Alright, y'all. My bad I couldn't get it on camera. Whoa. My wife's mom pulled up when I was doing this, so I had to turn it off. But pretty much fed it through this hole until the fish wire came through so I could pull the screw through. You guys get the idea. So now I got the two back ones in. Trying to do this front ones, which should be a little bit easier. So check it out. I am. And then you're gonna feed it through here. Screw so that fits right here. That should be easy. This one should be no problem. Wish I had a fucking camera. I'm gonna buy one these days. I spent all my money on fucking park. Let's see if I can get y'all and put it on my chest. Just buy a GoPro. I bought a GoPro and went to Florida to go shark diving. So I can put it on YouTube, and as soon as I jump in the water, I don't have the fucking GoPro attached to my body the right way. And as soon as I jump in the water, this fucking GoPro falls off. So look, I'm going from the back to the front, just like this. So as soon as it gets through, see y'all. Pretty much that's how you're gonna do it on both sides. Ooh, see how it was way easier than the motherfucking back ones. That's why I did the back ones first. Alright y'all, I'm gonna get this fish wire off. But you see, it's pretty much how I did these back ones. It's just harder because you gotta feed it through these smaller holes. You gotta feed the bracket from here depending on what your truck is. Because my brackets, they didn't want to fit through here. So I had to feed it through here all the way down. So I got the one, I'll put that one in. Same concept with the fish wire. With the fish wire. Alright. I'm not even gonna fish wire this shit all the way. I'm gonna bend it though. Alright. So we're gonna go through the back. Those are so easy compared to the other ones, bro. So fucking easy, yo. 2 back ones. Got 2 front ones in. So now I'm gonna try to put this thing up, bolt it, so I can bolt it to this bad boy and this bad boy as well. It's kind of like how just the instructions said. You know, I fish wired the back hardware, you see, the back hardware. Fish wired it through here, like they said. Fish wired that one through here, and then the screws are fish wired through here. And instead of using that and going this way, I just went through this. It went straight down. So as you can see, fish wire carriage bolts through slots and bolt frames per side. That's what I did. All right, so this is how I got it, because no one fucking helps me. I have to do everything myself. So I got this shit raised up on rocks. I got in my yard. So I'm trying to have it all lined up. Since I gotta do this shit myself. Let's hope it fits. Get you a 3/4 inch wrench on the side. Torque wrench. And that's it. Bro, shit was hard as fuck with myself. I had my girl come help me. Just hold this motherfucker up so I can bolt it out. Damn, bro. Yeah, I recommend having some help.